Hi, I'm Alex Harding. I work at Inmarsat, a satellite communications company, as an advanced concepts and technologies engineer. So I work in the advanced concepts team, and this is a relatively new team in our technology division. And day to day, I get to work on kind of new, exciting technologies that are very innovative to our industry. So I get to work on a lot of secret things. So I can't necessarily talk about many of them, but it's a very exciting role to see all these kind of the new things coming into the industry and get to work on some of those. So actually, my background was in physics, and as I was doing my physics degree, I really liked physics, but I was actually much more interested in the space side. And so I really wanted to get involved in space. And actually, my company would often do internships, and I managed to get onto one of those internships. And so I got to work in quite an exciting team for 3 months in our company, and I really enjoyed the time. And then it turned out I found out they had a graduate scheme, which is like a 2-year program where you join and you rotate through different departments. And having already enjoyed my internship there, I was really keen to get on that program. And thankfully, I applied and got in. And so I've been going through the company in different teams, trying out different things. And my last rotation was actually the advanced concepts team, and I had a great time there working on some of the things we get to. It was, all of them were great, but this one was really the one I enjoyed the most. And luckily, I was able to apply for a role and got accepted. So that's got into my current role. As a satellite communications provider, we end up having a lot of satellites in space to provide communications. So whereas most people with a phone or laptop can connect to a local Wi-Fi, there's a lot of people in the world that can't. So these might be in areas where there's not much infrastructure. So, in the middle of the ocean, on a plane, or in a desert. So we use satellites to provide those people with communications. And so space is very key to our business to try and reach that extra mile that the terrestrial markets haven't reached yet. In today's world, a lot of companies and similar industries will do industry events. And this is where a lot of companies will come and they'll present what they do and show things. And it's normally open to a lot of people. And if someone who's a bit younger is interested in this, they can go to one of those events and sort of see what companies are out there, what things they're doing, because then they can gauge what they're excited in. I didn't do that much of that when I was younger, and I wish I had, because then it'd be great to kind of see, what's out there, what excites you early, because then you can sort of tailor your path to follow that if you want. And also one bit of advice I'd say is when kind of in the later college to university years is internships are a great way to sort of find out what you're really interested in, getting used to the day-to-day life of a career.